Hello, Barry Anderson here with Trade Ideas with the stock of the day. And first of all, what a different day from yesterday. Obviously, the markets are up now. But this one, CRVS stock of the day by far. This came from my option scanner, and actually we had some great trades from the option scanner. Rewalk, PTGX, CRVS, maybe even Twinkie coming in, I don't know, Indy. The option scanner was alive today, doing very, very well. We had an alert for CRVS at 618. So right about here, 618, and it has been straight up on the 15-minute chart. Of course, this was a high flyer. If you take a look at the daily chart, you can see, Friday was a big day. Even yesterday, with the big downturn yesterday, it had a nice day, and it's just continuing. And let's see, a 2-year high, 100. Yeah, it's a 2-year high. So a lot going for this one, and this absolutely trade of the day coming from my option scanner. So if you want that scanner, all you have to do is come into the trading room, and I will give it to you. So I want to shut this down now, get back into the trading room. And again, don't forget, we're having a test drive. It starts October the 11th to the 22nd. You can sign up. It'll cost you $11.11 to try out our full premium service for those 10 trading days. So have a great evening, everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Eastern Time when I open the trading room. Bye-bye.